Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to remove the rear tail light on a Toyota HiAce H300 and access the bulbs inside. This method is useful if you need to replace a turn signal bulb, brake light bulb, or any other bulb located inside the rear light assembly. The whole process is quite simple and can be done in just a few minutes. First, open the rear door and take a look at the tail light assembly. You will see 3 bolts holding the light in place. Using the appropriate socket, carefully remove all 3 bolts. Once all 3 bolts are removed, the tail light is ready to come out. Now, gently pull the light assembly straight toward you. You may need to apply a little bit of force because the light is also held in place by guide pins. Be careful during this step. Do not pull too hard or twist the light from side to side because you don't want to damage the mounting points or the plastic guides. Once the tail light is removed, you can easily access all of the bulbs from the back side of the assembly. To remove a bulb socket, simply turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. For example, if you need to replace the turn signal bulb, just remove the corresponding socket, replace the bulb with a new one, and install it back into position. The same procedure can be used for the other bulbs inside the taillight. After replacing the bulbs, reinstall the taillight. First, make sure the guide pins are correctly aligned with their mounting holes. Then, gently push the light assembly back into place. Finally, reinstall and tighten the 3 bolts. And that's it. As you can see, removing the rear taillight on the Toyota HiAce H300 is a simple job that doesn't require much time or complicated tools. I hope this video was helpful. If it helped you replace your bulbs, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more easy car repair and DIY videos.